So welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing a very small box, but I know it contains very small cameras. So hang on to see what it is. So welcome back. I'll do another unboxing today. I've done some recently because I bought a lot of stuff, very cheap stuff, and the last box I had contained 5 cameras and some adapters, but none of them actually work from the beginning. But this one I have more hopes on. It contains 2 very special cameras. I am photographing on different formats, and you know from my channel maybe that I have shot on APS film-based cameras, not APS-C digital cameras, in the recent days, months. And I'm wanting to explore some other formats, both 110, which these 2 are supposed to be, and also the even smaller format, the Minox film format, but I'll come back to that later. Let's have a look at these 2 cameras, which according to the seller should be working. I bought these in Denmark, and they are, I paid in Danish kroner, but that corresponds to around 15 euro for these 2 cameras. And if they're in working order, that would be a very nice price. So this one is contained in a small box. So how do we open this one? I don't know. Strange little box. Ah, now I see it. It opens. This camera opens like this. And then you got sort of a handle here to hold it. So you can look through the viewfinder here. And then the exposure is here. And this one seems to work because it's actually saying some sounds. And to make it ready for another exposure, how did I do that? Oh yeah, yeah. So there's a button underneath here that you pull down, and then it should be ready for another exposure. Let's see if that works. Can you hear it? I might move it closer to the microphone. So it's clearly exposing. We can actually look through it, because there's a bit of resistance here. Maybe I shouldn't do it, push too hard. There's a bit of resistance. Maybe it's because it's not containing any film. So I need to get a film into this cassette here, and you open this. There's a window here on the back side, and you open it, and you can put 110 cassettes into it. I don't have any at the time, but I have ordered some empty ones, and I will respool film myself. I got also a cutter that can cut into 110 and Minox format, and I can load the cassettes for this camera myself with fresh film, cut from either 120 film or from 35mm film. So I'm seeing very much forward to that and trying out this camera. I don't hope I broke this one. Oh no, there it goes. It's just a bit. Let's see if. Yeah, I can see light through it, because the cassette would normally block, so you couldn't see anything through the cassette, but you would be able to see the film, the back side of the film, the backing paper, and then I can see all the way through here and see that it actually exposes something. So that's quite nice. So this camera is probably working very fine. Let's see the other one then. It's also a 110 camera, so 2 of these cameras in one package. And it's also a Kodak. This was also a Kodak Instamatic 92, so a bit different format. The other one with the handle is quite nice actually, but very different formats, but still same size, around same size. This one is actually smaller in total if you not take the grip into account, or if you take the grip into account. So how do we, I think you ready this one by pressing here. No, it's just opening for the camera. So how do we, yeah, here. There's, like on the other one, there's for winding the film and cocking the shutter. And it also exposes, I can see light going through. So that's very nice. Two seemingly working cameras, that's quite good. So I'll see forward to using these two. And I'll come back with the images from the cameras as soon as I've got some film spooled into the cassettes that I'm also waiting for. So thank you very much for tuning in on my channel, and hope you will subscribe and also hit the like button on this video, please. Thank you very much for this time, and bye.